Hi, I'm Lisa Madro, one of the 7th grade social studies teachers here at Bailey Middle School. Tonight we're going to be talking a little bit about what our curriculum is like in 7th grade social studies. Here are the teachers of 7th grade social studies. Your student will either have myself, Mrs. Madro, Mr. Richards, Mr. McLean, or Mr. Witter. For the supplies your child will need for social studies, they'll need 2 one-subject notebooks, one for each semester. This notebook will contain all of the notes and the study guides that they'll need to be successful in class. Other supplies that students need are glue sticks, colored pencils, and we ask that all students have earbuds or headphones with them in class.
During the course of this school year, students will be required to take assessments or tests every few weeks. If a student performs under expectations, he or she will have the opportunity for a retest in which they could bump their grade up to at least an 80%. Okay. In order to be eligible to retest, students must complete a ticket to retest, which will be provided, and have it approved by the teacher. Homework for this year. Students will have weekly assignments in the form of a Documents of the Week, or a DOW. Finished assignments not completed in class could also be a homework assignment, and students are expected to study for their test as well. Lastly, when it comes to absences, if your student misses school, please make sure that they are checking Canvas for any assignments that they may have missed. If they are absent, they are still responsible to make up any work that was done on that day.
So, what will your child be learning this year in 7th grade social studies? Our first major unit is Great Global Convergence. We'll be talking about the Protestant Reformation, the Renaissance, Age of Exploration, and early changes in our curriculum. From there, we move on to the Age of Revolutions, where we'll talk about changes with government, with the scientific revolution, enlightenment, and the way people think, and the ideas and rights for all, looking at the American Revolution, the French Revolution, and Latin revolutions. And to round out the calendar year, this year, we've got the rise of world powers, where we'll talk about the Industrial Revolution, imperialism and nationalism, and the world starting to change.
After winter break, we'll start the new year with the global conflict with World War I, the rise of dictators after World War I, and then World War II. Following that, we'll enter the Cold War period and talk about the division in the world, wars in Korea and Vietnam, and Red China. We'll finish this school year by talking about modern global society, including decolonization, globalization, and terrorism. If you have any questions about the expectations or what to expect from social studies this year, please reach out to your child's teacher directly. Thank you for your time.